Hey guys, it's Will Hardy. For my project, I picked achondroplasia. Um, all right. So, achondroplasia is a bone growth disorder that causes disproportionate dwarfism. People with achondroplasia are short in stature with normal sized torso and short limbs. It's the most common type of disproportionate dwarfism. This rare genetic disorder is characterized by distinctive features such as short stature, usually in between 4 feet 6 inches, an unusually large head with a prominent forehead and a flat nasal bridge. They also have short arms and legs, as seen in the picture. So, the FGFR3 protein spans the cell membrane so that one end is inside the cell and the other is outside. This allows the protein to interact with growth factors outside the cell and receive signals for growth and development. The FGFR3 gene encodes the instruction for making a protein called the fibroblast growth factor receptor 3. Achondroplasia is a single gene disorder caused by mutations in the FGFR3 gene on chromosome 4. As you can see in the bottom left-hand picture, it occurs on the chromosome 4. FGFR3 gene is a dominant genetic disease, so only one copy of the FGFR3 gene needs to be mutated for symptoms to develop. People with dwarfism have one copy of FGFR3 that causes dwarfism, and one that does not. The FGFR3 gene encodes the instructions for making a protein called fibroblast growth factor receptor 3, FGFR3. So, who is affected? Achondroplasia has ranged from about 1 in 15,000 to 1 in 35,000 births. Achondroplasia occurs as a result of a spontaneous genetic mutation in approximately 80% of patients, and the remaining 20% is inherited from a parent. The gene is dominant. The dominant genetic disorders occur when only a single copy of an abnormal gene is necessary to cause a particular disorder. The abnormal gene can be inherited from either parent or can be the result of a mutated or changed gene in the affected individual. If both parents have the condition, the child has a 25% chance of normal stature, a 50% chance of having one defective gene that causes achondroplasia, and a 25% chance of inheriting two defective genes, which would result in a fatal form of achondroplasia called homozygous achondroplasia, which is deadly. There is, however, no evidence of any correlation between achondroplasia being higher due to sex, ethnicity, or others, but there's evidence shows that some populations may have more incidence. For instance, Denmark has 1 in 6,400 and 1 in 10,000 throughout Latin America. Treatment. As of now, there are no cures for achondroplasia. Growth hormones can help people with achondroplasia to achieve moderate growth in some children, as seen in the pictures. Surgery is a treatment option in some cases to increase leg length by up to 30 centimeters to prevent spinal compression or correct bowed legs. These treatments, although they're not very big, they can improve the patient's lives. The end. Thank you.